Okay, so the first step is that this first class pulley, and there's this block which is preventing a marble, single fixed pulley and it's going to prevent,
And then the block,
prevent the marble from rolling down
connected to
the
the block, and the block will let the marble.
Yeah,
when
I'm
you
going to
lift up,
reel it up.
It'll like move up, so like the block can go on, or the not the block.
The marble,
The marble can go in the inclined plane,
which will go into this funnel and
which will fall onto this screw.
go down this hole onto this purple inclined plane.
And then it will, out of the purple inclined plane, since there's a hole, it will fall into the red inclined plane.
Which will hit this huge train of dominoes, which took a very long time to set up.
We knocked it down plenty of times. And then this will lead to this big domino that leads to the wedge. And then the wedge will like knock into the string, which will cause the gear to shift. And there's a little tick on the gear, which goes onto the dominoes. And that'll lead over there.
Which will hit these DS games, which will hit this, which will hit the hammer, connected to a tube, hit the ball onto the lever, which is connected to a pulley, making this raise up.
So like when the lever goes down, the string will move because it's like
taped on the bottom of
attached
the
to the lever, and that'll lift up the movable pulley, which will allow the wheel and axle to go down.
By the way, this is the first class lever, and the hammer is the second class lever, and that's a wedge, and that's a gear. So
Yeah, and then this will roll down to here.
and this will hit, this will push this, causing the checkers to hit this, which will roll down.
And then
It will
it'll
put-
put weight on the
Third class lever.
push down the toast, and it'll cook.
Toast!
It's working! It's working! Wait, Ava!
Oh yeah!
Oh my gosh! It worked!
Wait, the toothpick fell out. Where'd the toothpick go? Okay, ready? Ready? The first class lever in inches was 20 over 11. We had to convert that into centimeters, so we times it by 2.54. So it became 50.4 over 27.94, which is 1.81. So that is the IMA of the first class lever. The IMA of the incline plane, which is the pool sticks at the front, was 56 over 13, which was the length of slope over the height of slope, and that was 1.1, and in centimeters that was 142.24 over 38.1, which is 3.75, and that was the IMA of that. For the hammer, which was the second class lever, that was 10.5 over 2 times 2.54, which is 26.67 over 5.08, which is 5.25. Then for the wheel and axle, it was 45 over 12, which you times that by 2.54, it's 114.3 over 30.48, and so the IMA for the wheel and axle was 3.75. And the last one is for the third class lever, which was the footstool at the end, and that was 12.04 inches. We have to times it by 2.54 to make it centimeters, and that is 30.48 over 10.16, and that is exactly 3. So, yeah.